spaghetti bolognese. Every toddler's favourite meal. And the toddler, Mr. Phoenix. And of course, the food is everywhere except in the bowl. What are you going to do? Season 1, Episode 3. You know what I'm going to say. Cue the intro. Rain, thunder, lightning, and poof, as if by magic, we have blue skies the next day. And the next day, I had to clean the bedroom balcony. As you can see, it's pretty mucky. And because this wasn't an actual clean with me, you're only getting the before and after. I basically just moved a few things around, obviously cleaned, and there you have it. Put a rug down and yeah, all done. Now it's time to pick a skirt. This is serious business. A couple of options coming right up. Then I had a crazy idea of maybe just trying something completely different. Take a look. No, wasn't feeling that. So back to the skirt, and I chose the lime green. And yeah, I wear sunglasses inside. I also wear different sunglasses in the car. And we're out of here. Nearly there. And welcome to Duna Beach Club. Under starter's orders, flat shoes on, and we're off. First dance, sing-song. Phoenix really is not impressed by my shenanigans. Loves the lights. He does actually really love the camera. Loves the action. And we're off again. This was really cool. Candy in jars. Of course, I wanted to eat the whole lot, but I didn't. And when the pool is the focal point, you gotta film it more than once. Phoenix was tired at this stage, and he's even less impressed by my shenanigans. Don't you just want to lie underneath that with your mouth wide open? Or is that just me? And we're out of here. Not a lot happened this week. Well, actually, a lot happened this week, but you got the headlines as usual. So, thank you for watching yet again, and I will see you next week for another episode. Bye-bye.